Seems like it's been forever. Yeah, but every time that we get together,
greetings, YouTube. I'd like to unleash back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And YouTube, it's been approximately 30 days, YouTube. 30 days since our first pineapple flower appeared on our 2-year-old pineapple plant over at Pineapple Place. It's been approximately 30 days, YouTube, since we brought you guys our last video update on Pineapple Place. I'm going to swing this camera around for you guys right now, walk you over there to Pineapple Place, and show you exactly what's going on with our 2-year-old pineapple plant at Pineapple Place. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, indeed, here we are on our way back out to Pineapple Place. As you recall from our last video update, our 2-year-old pineapple plant here at Pineapple Place was just beginning to form its first flower in the top. YouTube, approximately 30 days ago, that flower was just beginning to form, YouTube. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what has happened with our first pineapple flower at Pineapple Place in approximately the past 30 days. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? Those flowers, YouTube. Those seemingly hundreds of flowers that formed in the center of our pineapple plant, YouTube, have indeed fused together to form our pineapple here in the top of our plant. And not only that, YouTube, our pineapple has begun also to develop its crown. As you can see, there must be at least 100 of these little diamond-shaped perforations here on our pineapple, YouTube. Our pineapple is currently only 30 days old, and it's quite a substantial size at this point. Pineapples take anywhere from 4 to 6 months to completely mature. So we are indeed, YouTube, we are indeed predicting a pretty nice sized pineapple by the time our pineapple here at Pineapple Place actually matures. Again, it is quite a substantial size now, and it's only 30 days old, YouTube. This is again our Dole pineapple plant here in the center. We have Del Monte pineapples of a much younger ages also planted in this planter. These pineapple plants here also, they range from 7 months old to about 3 months old, YouTube. The larger ones, that one and that one, are about 7 months old. These two here are about 3 months old, and that one back there in the back is about 2.5 months old back there in the back there. But again, YouTube, again, our Dole pineapple right here at Pineapple Place. Our front yard garden extended grow area. Grow Zone 8B. Right here in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share the video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Growing pineapples at Pineapple Place. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
seems like it's been forever. Yeah, but every time that we get together, it feels just like the very first time. I must admit, Jazzy J, it's really been a long time since we got together, did this mic and said what's on our minds. You looking good to me, thick and sexy, so fine. And since day one, you know you've been the apple of my eyes. Every time you cross my mind, it always makes my nature rise. It feels good to me when you let me slip inside. Every time we grind, it always feels just like the first time. Just like the first time, our very first time. Let me kiss you on your neck, girl, let me help you get undressed. Skip around this lion while you kiss that tattoo on my chest. Tell us that I'm the best and you love the way I make you flex. Get a cat so wet, getting what I said, poking while I'm stroking every time we're having sex. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time. Round two, it's been so long, I don't know how to act. Turn around, it's going down to this lion, hit it from the back. Watch your pleasure multiply with my hands gripping on your thighs. I know it's good to you, I can see it in your eyes. You know I ain't too pleased, I can feel you shaking on your knees. Telling me don't stop because you're close and about to come for me. And you know that I ain't gonna stop until I take you to the top. Make you ski, have you soaking up the sheet because you're coming on repeat. I'm about to give you all I got. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time. It always